Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be creating this beautiful glamorous purple smoky eye using the new Fenty Killawatt highlighters and a few other products. So if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so before we apply any eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply a base on the lid so that the colors will show up more pigmented. So here I'm using the Fenty matchstick in Confetti because it has a nice sparkle to it. Now I'm picking up lacing from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to blend this into my crease and outer corners using the bronze blending brush from Fearless Cosmetics. I'm also going to bring this color down onto my lower lash line a bit. Next we're going to press on this beautiful light lavender shade from the new Killawatt Foiled duo, and I believe this one is called 7-Day Weekend. And to apply this shadow, I'm using the purple fluffy eyeshadow brush, also from Fearless Cosmetics. Now picking up a little bit of that darker purple shade called Poolside on the same brush, and I'm just going to add this onto the outer half of my lid. I'm going to add some depth and smokiness to the look using Amethyst from the Desert Dusk palette, and using this smaller blending brush from Urban Decay, I'm just going to blend this into the crease and outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take another new Killawatt duo, and from this one, I'm going to pick up this nice minty blue shade and apply that onto the inner half of my lower lash line. Now you could use that minty blue color as an inner corner highlight, but I just got the new Dream Glow kit from Anastasia in the mail, and I really wanted to try it, so here I applied Ethereal. The eyeshadow look is pretty much done here, but I really wanted to incorporate Sunset Sangria, so I added a little bit of that shade onto the center of my lid and on my lower lash line. I'm going to go in and create a winged liner using my favorite Inglot gel liner, and then I'm going to do a tiny little inner corner wing using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Now I'm just lining my waterline using the Marc Jacobs Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Miss Me. And then I'm just going to apply mascara and lashes. And I couldn't find the lash packaging when I filmed this video, but I found it afterwards, and they're Muse from Slay Lashes. Here I'm totally pointing at the wrong color because I actually used the top left one, but yeah. I'm just going to apply this peachy blush onto my cheeks, and then I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face using my new favorite highlighter, which is the matchstick from Fenty Beauty in the shade Cervin. For the lips, I believe I found my new favorite nude, and it's one of the new lipsticks from Anastasia, and this one is just in the shade Nude. And since it's such a light color, I added closer lip liner from Nabla Cosmetics just in the corners, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!